Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best DIY dent repair kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best DIY dent repair kits that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the AUTOPDR 40-piece DIY Paintless Dent Removal Toolkit. This 40-piece paintless dent repair kit includes many of the same components as the two large kits we mentioned above, such as a hot glue gun, glue, a dent lifter, a tap-down pen, a rubber hammer, puller tabs, a small plastic scraper and more. With these tools, you'll be able to hot glue the properly sized tab to the dent in your car's bodywork and use either the dent lifter or bridge puller to yank on the tab, hopefully pulling the dent outward and removing it altogether. If the dent is only made smaller, you can use the tap-down pen to minimize it further. The included tool bag also ensures you won't lose any of the 40 pieces included in this DIY dent repair kit. This kit is good for removing large to medium-sized dents, but may be more difficult to use on extremely small dent spots. Like so many DIY dent repair kits, properly using the kit requires patience. You'll be gradually pulling the dent out rather than seeing instantaneous results. At $50, though, it will be much cheaper than taking your vehicle to a body shop to have the dent removed. Moving on at number 4. We have the ARISD 32-piece Paintless Dent Removal Kit. If you don't have a lot of dents to fix, this fairly basic kit is an affordable way to take care of that one unsightly dent on your car. It's a 32-piece kit from ARISD, and is best used for minor dent repair, although it could suffice on certain major dents. Included with the kit are the basics you need to remove a car dent yourself: a dent lifter, bridge dent puller, glue tabs, tap-down pens, glue gun, glue sticks, rubber scraper, alcohol bottle, and cleaning cloth. Like similar kits, you'll be able to glue the tabs to the dent on your car and attempt to pull the dent outward using the bridge puller. You'll also be able to use the dent lifter and tap-down pens if necessary, depending on the size of dent you're dealing with. This company seems to back its product, offering refunds and replacements if you're not satisfied. At number 3, we have the Anyon 54-piece Paintless Dent Repair Kit. This company, Anyon, offers a variety of paintless dent repair kits. One of its more comprehensive offerings is this 54-piece kit that is designed to be fairly easy to use. This kit includes a glue gun, glue sticks, a dent lifter, a rubber hammer, taps, clip removal tools, glue tabs, plastic shovels, mini bags, a cleaning cloth, tool box, and more. Like similar kits, this works by hot gluing one of the different size tabs to a dent and pulling the dent out using the dent lifter, rubber hammer, or bridge board. The tool of choice will depend on the size of the dent. If you've recently been caught in a hailstorm and your car's been left looking like the surface of the moon with big, small, and medium-sized dents all over, this dent repair kit could be exactly what you need. It comes with a wide variety of tab sizes and tools, so this kit provides you with just about everything you could need for removing bodywork dents yourself. At number 2, we have the GSDIY Paintless Dent Repair Kit Metal Tap-Down Pen. This is an inexpensive and very simple kit that will allow you to tap away pesky dents with ease. Unlike the other kit above, this dent repair kit includes only a metal tap-down pen. To use the kit, all you have to do is pick the ideal head size and shape for the dent you're looking to fix, grab a hammer or other tool to tap the pen with and begin tapping the area around the dent. This will force the dent to pop out eventually, so long as your technique is correct. There are plenty of helpful YouTube videos available on how to properly use a tap-down kit such as this. This particular tap-down kit includes the pen itself and 9 different heads. A kit like this can be used to remove dents on motorcycles, refrigerators and washing machines, in addition to automobiles. And finally at number 1, we have the GLISTON Paintless Dent Repair Remover Kit. GLISTON has released a new version of our previous editor's pick, with this 45-piece paintless dent repair kit. The upgraded design features a new dent lifter that offers more adjustability, while some of the glue tabs are now thicker and have bigger diameter. The DIY car dent puller is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, and includes 16 different size tabs. It's easy to operate and some dents can be repaired in as little time as half an hour. Each kit includes a tool bag, dent puller, lifter, bridge puller, hot glue gun, 5 pry tools, 16 black puller tabs, 5 yellow glue sticks, 5 black glue sticks, 2 small plastic shovels, 1 empty alcohol bottle, 1 cloth, and an instruction manual. Basically, this repair kit provides you with all of the tools you might need to get rid of a small dent or ding from your vehicle. To use the kit, you hot glue one of the black tabs over top of the dent in your vehicle. You then use the slide hammer to pull on the black tabs, pulling the dent outward and, ideally, removing it altogether. Multiple tab sizes are included in the kit, so whether your dent is big or small, this kit should do the trick. If the dent is very small, then the tabs may not be small enough, however, so you may want to look for a dent repair kit developed for removing particularly small indents. Some users also say the included hot glue and hot glue gun don't stick the tabs to the car body as well as they should, but you could always your own glue and glue gun for a better result. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.